So it's Labor Day weekend. Today is Sunday. Tomorrow is Labor Day, and I'm just not coming outside. Let's see what they got going on. Back all over here. The Haitians are always out, of course. It's supposed to be, I'm going down, must be a good 5 blocks down. I don't know, the liquor store, I don't think it's closing tonight. I'm gonna try to see, and I'm gonna try to count how much cars I spot with flags on them. So far 2. Haiti and Guyana. I'm gonna see.
Level it, lower. Here's what's going on. Masqueraders, you have to work with the security. We're trying to clear the band so you guys can jump and enjoy your costumes, right? But when the security asking you to do something, please comply with the security. We're trying to clear the non-masqueraders out of the band. It's that simple, right? We're doing this with love, people. We're doing this with
measurement, body have to fit in length and the tape measurement. 8 of the 9 of the reach from the 10 body length.
They're not ready. DJ, let us have some fun. We're close to the end of this. Let's party. Remember, no fight.
Ladies want to wind up the place.
Fight it down.
Bring up the meeting and give me some space. Let me mash up the place. I got this thing on my back. Make me shake it up like a sugar. Do it right on like you.
We headed straight to Queens once this truck pull off.
Right there, the orange and black.
When the tune turn on, get ready. Stand on the tune. I want you right past the truck.
Toenail check.
Don't forget about it in the uniform.
No, you good.
So much love and unity.
The rain,
Listen to me.
but we still outside. It's still lit.
When the chopman move, and something happened in it. Okay, the chopman move, you stand up. Everybody, when the chopman
We at the
stay
end right
riding.
now, and we on the
We want to make a movie. Stay riding. Go for it. Stand up. On your stand up. On your stand up, chopman move.
Oh, okay.
Everybody stand up where you is. Chopman, you have to move a little faster than that.
It's finally Labor Day, and the parade been going on all morning. It's now 5 o'clock. Yes, I'm just leaving my house because I was tired, and I didn't want to. I didn't plan to go spend all day up there anyway, so I said I'm gonna go towards the end. It always ends around 7, so I got a little time. The sun wasn't hot earlier, but it's there now. It is. So I'm trying to decide, should I go up to Eastern Parkway and Utica, or should I go to North Strand and Eastern Parkway? I don't know. I'm going by myself. Last year I went with people, but I'm going by myself this year. I don't know if I should. I don't know where to go. I know the train will take me up to North Strand and Eastern Parkway, but I don't know if anything running towards Utica. So maybe I should play it safe and just stay where I'm at and take the train up there. If anything, I'll just walk to Utica. But I'm gonna do that. And yeah, I'll see y'all in a bit. Once again.
Some will hate you, and they love you now.
Hello? Right? I'm weak. This is funny. This pizza place now serving. Really? They're funny. I almost kind of like, where's my flag? But I forgot it's on my head. NYPD. Strolling all the way down, so. All the way down here. Come out here. Buddy chilling. Jerking over there. So close in my. I'm on Nostrand and Eastern Parkway. I think I'm gonna give me some jerk chicken though. Yeah. I wanna go through there. But I'm trying to go over there. I'm gonna try to go over there. Ooh, that's not what I'm about to try to zoom in and see and show y'all how crowded it is all the way down there. Let me see. Y'all see that? That looks like a bunch of ants. Madam Idiot, hey. Okay, the zoos are here. But she bad my friend that she had. So I'm out here. Just about every band I think already left. But it's still a vibe. But I do remember I have footage from last year that I never posted because I couldn't find it. So I'm gonna include it in this vlog. But it's lit outside. I'm gonna try to find somewhere to get a roast corn because I want a roast corn. Suck a wine up now because it's carnival. I am going over there. What is that? What is going on?
Inside tonight. To the left. Talk to them. My brother.
I got it. Thank you. What kind of sea moss is this?
Strawberry watermelon sea moss lemonade juice.
Oh.
I want your bubble. I want you to bubble. 1, 2.
Good. How much is it? How much?
$10.
I don't know if I have $10. Is it a card?
That's
Get it, girl.
Let me do this one more time. Let's go. I go by the name of DJ Bags and I'm here just rocking out, shouting down vibes in the building. Now we just short back a little bit and take it back and build it back up. That vibes, what's the vibes? Let me see if my ladies know to bubble and wine. This is what we call the whining segment.
It's so hot out here. Oh, my drink with this hand. It is so hot out here. Well, you gotta walk with this. outside. I came out here like 5. Because I didn't want to stand up here in the sun all day, and I was tired. Yeah, box food over there. I need to go find out where they have food. If they say card, because I ain't got no cash. They're selling juices over there. Not that I need anything, because I already got mine. Ooh, they got tropical juices. That's so cute. That's a good, they smart. Come on here with that. That's smart. Where you from? Where you from?
I'm from Memorial. Where you from?
What country are you from?
Guyana.
What country are you from? Huh?
The richest country in the world.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, what country you from? Tell me.
Obviously, you know what I'm saying? Okay. I know.
I'm never from Korea.
You're not from Portmore. No. You got a whole Guyanese accent. That's impossible. He's funny. They're selling drinks everywhere. Pop, pop, pop. Every big flag I see, I'm zooming in on. I wonder what truck that is. I'm gonna see where. Yeah, that looks like again Utica or past Utica. Yeah. Sea moss. They got pineapple and stuff. I didn't see that over there. I'm here thinking the festivities all done. It is not done, child. But I should have known that, because last year, even when it's raining, but after this truck passed, whoever this is, whatever country this is, oh, they got Jamaican food right here. Oxtail, curry goat, escovitch, fish, jerk chicken, yard food. I should be taking some thumbnails. Put the line. Go on the line. It's like, oh, we at New York Avenue. Okay. Okay. So we're walking down. They got the porta potties over there. The porta potties. My Jamaicans in front of me. A lot of them. I wonder which country's out here the most. That's what I wonder. Hey, yeah, bite me. Hey. Yeah, I've been good man. Yeah, come on. Another. Oh, the truck is coming, so I'm staying right here. Because I see it coming, it's coming down this way. I don't know what truck that is. This is probably the Haitian truck. Hey. Chinese was so the quick start. Far from a distance. Can't tell him nothing. Hey.
I want to thank you each and every one for pulling out.
Really? That's it? That's it?
you. We appreciate you. Shout out to everybody. We appreciate anybody who got a silver purse. To the tent. If you got a silver purse, there's an Android. There's an Android phone. And a silver purse. Every time a silver purse.
Look how it's chilling up there. Oh, that's cute. I'm gonna wait for that truck. When that truck gets closer, when it gets closer, then I'll come back in. Alright, now I'm gonna stay on the sidelines because there's a lot going on. So I'm gonna just stay on the sidelines right now. The truck is like, I feel like the truck is creeping, but there's a lot of people in front of it, so it's not creeping. But I'm just on the sidelines. So the truck is coming. I think that's a Haitian truck. Normally they're lit, so we'll see. Still got my juice. It's strong. It's 1 punch. It's strong. The clouds getting dark, but I see all these people. The truck. What was that for?
Et puis tout le monde qui a bien passé, faites de même faire yo-yo. Toute fanatique sur les mix qui n'a zone, faites de même faire aïe. Maoulé. Assez ça, assez ça. Okay.
done cleaning the streets. So it's about that time. Look at the Jews over there. I'm weak. Look at the Jews over there. I don't know what's going on, child. Oh, they're actually recording. Somebody actually recording something. Don't know what's going on. But hey, look at it. Oh yeah, like I was saying, the streets is being cleaned. So it's about that time for me to go to my yard. It's getting dark. It's about, let me see what time it is right now. So it's 7 o'clock and I'm about to go home and start editing the vlog. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy the vlog. Like, comment, and subscribe. Aftermath, time to go. Got me a roast corn. It was $4. I haven't had this in so long, but I'm about to enjoy the hell out of this. Party done, guys. Party done. Everybody acting like it's not done because they're still out here, like they're not trying to go home, but I'm going home. Oh, it's like a nice car. That's nice. I see all them people over there. That's where it was at when I first came. I was over there. But there's a lot going on. Ooh. This corn's so hot. I'm trying to cool it down. I'm hungry. Yo, y'all see the time? That's 7:22. And my store is still trying to load. There ain't no service out here. And you see, there's some people out here. Like, people are ready to go home.
Half price, man, one pound.
I'm weak. Your Instagram is not good enough for these dudes these days. Shorty said, that's it, you got my Instagram, that's it. Oh, disrespectful. Oh, disrespectful. Chill. I don't like that skirt. This one about to be my teeth. Ah. Traffic jam. Traffic jam. I'm eating my corn. have about 15 blocks, but I'm walking home now. I'm not gonna lie, I know these restaurants be happy as hell for today because this is one of the days they make the most freaking money. Corn done. Actually, I low-key want another one. I don't think I have cash for another one though. That corn was $4.
Yo, Bobbies, you still living on the tropics. Connect my phone on the office. Couple soul of damage. And I'm a clear and smart, I'm a ride and strip. And I'm a clear and smart.
Last night is the past night. Hey, hey. But this drink, this rum punch is just rum with a little bit of punch. Then punch the hell out of me with this. That's it for this vlog. Like, comment, and subscribe. It's so blurry. There we go. I'm like, why am I thinking so? Not the whole time I'm here talking, the shit is blurry as hell. That will be all for the vlog, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, and subscribe. And maybe sooner, like more.